This is our lesson on thesis statements. As you all recall, we have already done thesis statements when we did our persuasive essay. And you all should also note that thesis statements are statements of opinion, okay? So they give your opinion about a topic, and it needs to be something that you can prove or show throughout your essay. For this project, we started with a statement of controlling purpose that you all wrote about an organization, a topic, as well as a country. And you talked about what the purpose of your research was going to be. So now it's time to take that purpose and turn it into an opinion. So please take out your statement of controlling purpose sheet. It should be, it's actually at the bottom of this sheet that just popped up, the brainstorm your topic sheet. Some of you all also wrote it on the bottom of your first source, especially if you were in the green sticker group. Many of you wrote it there, so that works as well. Okay. Here is an example that I'm going to bring you through of how the statement of controlling purpose relates to the thesis statement. So you have your statement of controlling purpose. My sample one is, the purpose of my research is to describe the causes and effects of HIV/AIDS in the United States and the impact of the CDC, the Centers for Disease Control, on HIV/AIDS in the U.S. Then I'm going to come up with one opinion that I've formed as I've done my research. So now that I know about the CDC, I've realized that they do a lot of research, but I feel like they actually haven't done a lot to help people living with HIV/AIDS. So that's my opinion, that maybe they should do more. So now I'm going to combine my purpose and my opinion to create my thesis statement. My thesis statement is, HIV/AIDS is still a huge problem in the U.S., and the CDC needs to advocate more to prevent infection and help those who already have HIV. So I have my HIV/AIDS, my topic, in my thesis statement. I have my country in my thesis statement. And I also have my opinion about my organization, all in the thesis statement. And you'll notice that I kind of use some fancy words to beef it up and tie it back into our theme of advocacy this year. So let's get started. Look at your crafting your thesis statement worksheet that you should have been handed. The first thing you're going to do is rewrite your statement of controlling purpose at the top of your new worksheet. Now you're going to craft your opinion about your topic. So you need to read over the questions next to number 2 on your worksheet now. Now you need to write your opinion that you formed about your organization, and make sure that you or your teacher stops this recording so that you have about 4 or 5 minutes to craft your opinion, which you should write right underneath where the yellow arrow is pointing right now. So now you're ready to create your thesis statement. Remember to think about your research and what you found to be true about your topic or a belief that you formed about your topic. Be bold and prepared to back up your thesis statement with facts. Remember, you need to include your organization, your country, your topic, and your opinion in your thesis statement. Work together for about 5 minutes, check each other's work, and you should have a thesis statement and be almost ready to start writing your paper.